Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I'm glad you're here. Today, I wanted to do a little bit of a different video. I have a lot of new subscribers, so I thought it might be fun just to kind of chat and let you know a little bit about me if you're new. So, I have had my YouTube channel for about 5 going on 6 years. And I kind of started it just as a fluke. I really got into making things with my Cricut. So I was doing a lot of Cricut videos. And then I stumbled upon junk journaling, and I haven't looked back since then. I still use my Cricut. A lot of times I'll use my Cricut to do fussy cutting or to make stencils or make stickers. So lots of different things that I use my Cricut for. And I still make like t-shirts and some home decor items and things like that. But I do love junk journaling, and I love this junk journaling community. So I live in Louisville, Kentucky, as you can tell from the title of my channel, and I've lived here all my life. So yeah, I've had a couple opportunities to live elsewhere, but I just love Kentucky. Kentucky is my home. And yeah, so I'm married and I have 2 daughters. And my one daughter is married and has 3 daughters. So I have 3 granddaughters, which I absolutely am having a blast. They live in town, so that's really cool. And then my other daughter, she lives in Los Angeles, and she is pursuing the dream, you all. She is, wanting to be an actor, a performer. She wants to do it all: direct, write, produce. So she's been doing a lot of background on a lot of different TV shows like The Pit. The Pit just won an Emmy. And so she's been doing background on several of the season 2 episodes. So when that comes out, I'll have to keep you all posted and let you know what episodes she's in, and we'll have to see if we can find her in the background. Um, as far as junk journaling, I love trying new techniques and new things. Um, I think, the idea of designing and making journals and selecting out the pages for a signature. I really love doing that and just love trying new techniques. I have a gel plate. I have a lot of videos on my channel. I think I have over 800 videos now. So I have tons of videos you can watch. But if there's some video or some tutorial or some technique that you can't really find a good video on, just let me know. I'm happy to do a tutorial on that technique if it's something, kind of that I am able to do, or I'm willing to give a try if it's something new to me. So I would love to know where you all live. Let me know. You don't have to give the city if you don't want to give the city, but tell me what city, state, or country you live in if it's outside the U.S. I'd love to kind of grow our community and get to know each other. Yeah, so that's a little bit about me. Oh, I am retired. I worked as an engineer and also as a manager, and I worked for 36 years before I retired. I started when I was in college interning at different engineering companies along the way, and I loved my career. I really loved working in quality engineering and process improvement. I loved trying to make processes better and improve processes. I think that's one of the reasons I'm always like wanting to think about how I can organize the stuff in my craft room better, and also like when I'm making a journal, how the steps I can do to improve upon it and make the process go a little bit smoother, a little bit quicker. And yeah, you can't take the engineer out of my brain. It's in here permanently, I think. I have one sister and one brother, and my sister lives in town, my brother lives out of town, and I have 4 nieces and nephews, and one of my nieces, she has 2 little boys, so it's fun when her 2 little boys come in town, they live out of town, and play with my 3 granddaughters. It's a lot of fun to watch them kind of grow, because all of the 6 grandkids, my 2 kids and the my nieces and nephews, they were so close growing up. They had so much fun, and they're still close today. They try to get together as much as they can, but you know, life gets super busy. But yeah, and my mom is still alive. My dad has passed away. My mom, we've just moved her into an assisted living facility, and she's been there almost a year. I also have a Patreon. I started it, I think it's I think I'm in my 3rd year of Patreon, and I love it. It's so fun. The my members over there are so supportive, and it just really inspires me. And you can join for free over there. A lot of times I'll do freebies over there, and I'll share other little tidbits and things like that. I just want to say welcome and thanks for stopping by on my channel. You know, let me know where you're from. Let me know if you junk journal, and what your favorite thing to do. So yeah, all right, guys, that is a little bit about me. Welcome to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.